Hello folks! As you may notice, today I'm not in my usual place. It's because I'm on a trip, it's Airbnb, very cozy apartment, and today I will run half marathon. No biggie, just 21 kilometers, but still very exciting. Yesterday there was a huge announcement from NPM that NPM version 5.7.0 had been released. Yeah, great! Amazing news indeed. The main feature I love in this release is the command npm ci, which is kind of npm install, but it completely erases your node modules folder and installs everything from scratch, which makes it from twice to 10 times more fast than usual npm install. And npm suppose that this feature will be mostly used for CIs, as it follows from the name. Another interesting feature is that now if you have git merge conflict in your package log JSON, NPM will be able to resolve this conflict by itself without asking for your permission when you do npm install and there's some flag. I will include in show notes, you will see this flag. I don't remember it. But also they released git driver, which you can install, and your local git command now will be able to resolve this kind of conflicts automatically, the conflicts in package log JSON files. And this is a really big deal. I was struggling for so long with not npm, but mostly with gem file log in my Ruby projects. And now I really wish that Bundler will include this feature as well. However, we don't live in the world full of unicorns. And in few hours after this gorgeous announcement, there was even more gorgeous failure. There was an issue submitted in official NPM repository. It was a security issue. It turned out that npm install, when used with sudo, changed your root folder's permissions. And by root folder, I mean actually etc folder, boot folder, and user folder. And that's terrible. And it's even more terrible because it was making it silently without notifying you. And even worse is that there is no real way to restore it. You can either completely reinstall your system, or if you had some image made beforehand, you can restore from this image. As I said, it had this effect only if was used using sudo. By the way, plenty of people had been affected by it. After more than 100 messages, for now I think it's 132 or whatever, NPM finally released fixed version 5.7.1, which contained the fix of this terrible security bug. Phew, the end of the story. Wait, it is not. It had one more underwater stone. So 5.7.0 wasn't really a stable release, wasn't really a release. As people found in this communication, these comments in the issue, is that it was pre-release. So I think you know what is semantic versioning, and by semantic versioning, if there is three numbers in your version, first number is major version, second number is minor version, and third number is patch release version. And if it is pre-release or alpha or beta, it should be explicitly told there, like 5.7.0-alpha, which wasn't the case for NPM. And they even didn't mention it in their official announcement on their blog. So probably these guys have to read better the samvar.org, which I'll also include for you into the show notes so you can refresh it in your memory. My friends, I hope you weren't affected by this issue. I had not been because I was too lazy to update at that point of time, and now I'm glad. Okay, for now it's time for me to hit the hay, Tomorrow is going to be a tough day. I hope to win. I hope to run the first. No, for sure I don't want to run the first, but I want to achieve the medal. Have a great weekend. See you all soon. Maybe not tomorrow, but very soon, I swear you.